Okay, the Massy 135 front end loader and backhoe. It comes with an extra parts unit to the left. It has a good rear differential and 3-point parts into it. Hood parts are over here. The differential has some issues on this unit. It's starting to make noise in the pinion. Will have to be changed or repaired. Still was driving around when parked, and the engine and stuff should operate without much problem. The backhoe on this unit is a model 210. It was functioning when parked, and it comes with an extra backhoe parts unit. That is a model 220. Hydraulic cylinders do come with this, and the joystick controls or the controls that go with it do come with it.
Yeah, they need rework. Cylinders good.